Lean physique hack. Start at breakfast. Ditch the refined carbs, you're wasting your best chance to burn fat and build muscle. Morning protein is your fuel. It guarantees satiety and instantly ignites your metabolism. Target: 25 grams plus protein pre 9 a.m. Ready? Here are the 8 super protein hacks to dominate your morning. 1. Veggie loaded egg scramble. The strength provides 12 to 18 grams of protein from 3 eggs. Pro tip: add a slice of low-fat cheese or some smoked salmon to boost total protein to 20 grams plus and get essential omega-3s. 2. Enhanced Greek yogurt bowl. The strength, quick, easy, naturally contains 15 to 20 grams protein. Pro tip: stir in 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds for an extra 8 grams of protein and zinc. Crucial for muscle recovery. 3. Cottage cheese, the casein king. The strength, the best source of slow-releasing casein protein. Ideal for sustaining muscle growth throughout the morning. Serving: 1 cup delivers an impressive 25 to 30 grams of protein. Top with pineapple or chives for flavor. 4. Ezekiel toast and power spread. The strength: Ezekiel bread, or 100% whole grain, provides complex carbs. Pro tip: spread with 2 tablespoons of natural nut butter and sprinkle with chia seeds. Total protein around 15 grams plus healthy, filling fats. 5. The rapid green protein smoothie. The strength, the ultimate time saver. Highly customizable. The gold formula. Blend 1 scoop whey, 25 g, plus almond milk plus spinach, flavorless boost, plus 1 tablespoon nut butter for sustained satiety. 6. Tofu scramble, the vegan alternative. The strength, an excellent plant-based protein source that mimics the texture of eggs. Serving: 1/2 block of firm, pressed tofu provides about 20 grams of protein. Season with turmeric and black pepper. 7. High-protein overnight oats. The strength, ready to eat, no cooking needed. Pro tip: boost the protein to 30 grams plus by mixing casein powder, slow digesting, with oats and unsweetened oat milk. 8. Lean meat sides, the muscle builder. The strength, maximum protein, fast, ideal for serious muscle goals. Pro tip: use 3 ounces, 85 g, of lean leftovers, grilled chicken or steak. This delivers 20 to 25 grams protein instantly. Pair with an apple for fiber. Final verdict: hit your 25 to 30 grams protein target every morning. Choose one of these 8 and commit to muscle growth. Action time. Which option will you try tomorrow? Comment your favorite number below. And follow for more.